Hi guys, in today's video I become an agent. So I just might be protecting people and also nuking people with every weapons I want. Most probably the RPGs because that's what people be using these days. So let's go.
To get launched.
Okay.
Me. Here.
Time to nuke.
Me! I need to get launched like super badly.
Okay.
But it's literally nothing. Oh! Perfect nuke.
I want to get Abuela.
Got red rush and I need to run.
Can I go to the moon?
I'm so close.
They're on my own red rush.
Activate
Here, I can easily get this kid. Hang on. Bye-bye.
I want to get Umbrella.
Also, easily can get this kid. Let's find him real quick. He's at the dock. Okay, he just fell off the dock. I don't know what he was doing. I think he was just trying to.
Anybody have an Umbrella?
It did not work out.
Do you want to go find it?
Did you kill him?
Better one. Oh no. Nobody cares. Oh. Oh, he saw me. He saw me. Oh shit, you guys just looked at me. Oh my gosh.
He's just a little kid. Who else wanted to go find me?
I always know that.
Oh, okay.
And I just lost my RPG, but I can easily just grab it.
Activate this. Purple, activate this.
Bro, it's not gonna kill me. I caught an agent for a reason.
I'm gonna make it.
He's not making it.
Yo, I have grapple hooks in this
Activate
backpack.
this. Purple, activate this.
Oh my god. Bed watch. Stomp. See if I can get that.
Damn it.
And die.
I literally just put arrows.
Who else wants to go flying?
Pink guy just killed me. Pink guy. Yeah.
Do you want?
Pretty annoying.
Do you want to get go flying? Teleport.
Gotta go.
Surprisingly, now I don't need to.
You want to see me fly like a bird?
Oh my god.
Okay, you're gonna die.
Now people are really good.
He took it.
I keep buying everything wrong.
Please, no.
Am I buying?
Bro, he took it. Oh my god. I'm so mad.
Threatening. I'm giving it back to him. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to anymore.
Oh,
Get burned. Do you still want it?
Back to the dog.
Yo, you want one of these?
Give it to me now.
You want one of these? You want one of these?
Yeah.
You want one of these?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
I don't have
Yo, let me
a
hit that. Let me hit it.
slingshot.
Let me get it all
If you
top.
give me that,
Let me give it.
If you give buy a slingshot for me, I'll give you a
Yo, if you
suitcase.
drop that, I'll give you 3 of them.
What the
If you drop
heck
it right
is
now, I'll give you 3 of them.
I'll
Promise. Just kidding.
What's a slingshot?
Damn, now we have no grapplers.
If you buy me a slingshot, I'll give you a suitcase.
Guys, I got a slingshot. Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Up, I
Hey,
can't
buddy.
stop.
I'll show you
I
my
can't stop
papa.
flying. Help.
Give me my papa.
Oh my god. Yo, I'm going crazy with the agent. Yo, I'm a crazy agent. Sorry, I wasn't talking. I was lucky. Oh my god, crazy. Like, I don't know how, no, but like maybe like 5 kills in one. Oh my god, I'm a crazy agent. Oh my god. Oh.
I am 10.
Bro, no, you're not.
I thought you were kidding.
I didn't think of a.
Here, you want it back? I have no sword
You're
for it.
5.
Sure. I want that. I want that.
Take it.
You're red one. Activate this and I'll actually give you a suitcase, okay? I promise. Okay. Activate it. Oh. No. Okay, I sent you the request.
Sure, man. Are you sure? I know what I'm gonna do. Oh wow.
Wait, why?
Turn around.
Wait.
Turn around.
Wait.
Oh,
Red cat. Red Samurai Cat. What's up? I'm not even Red Watch, buddy. Turn me by literally.
I can do it. I can do it for you. I can do it for you.
You cannot die.
Alright.
I got. I'm following you. I'm following you. Oh, you gonna drop me into the ocean?
Crazy straight on nuke.
Yeah, I'll keep it in my stash.
Crazy nuke.
Die.
He's gonna come at me. Trying to ruin my video for no reason. That's crazy, man. I'm just trying to do a video, bro. Just trying to be an agent. So you're doing that.
Green, I guess. Green.
No, that's right. I'm not talking. Like, get it?
No!
Listen
It's
up.
okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
No! No! He took it. He did. He put. Yeah. I want it small.
Okay, guys, that was the end of today's video, becoming an agent. And yeah, bye, guys. Like and subscribe. And bye, guys. Peace.